Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video we are going to discuss how we lock and unlock our folders. So let's go. Here we just need to click on the folder and click on the right click, and at the bottom there's the properties. We need to click on this properties, and let's go to the security part. In the security then we go to the administrators and then edit. After that, there's the permission we need to allow or not. We simply click on the deny. We are not allowing any permission. And we need to apply this. And after that permissions, we just need to click on the administrator because we are going to give these permissions to the administrator. Simply click on the apply and OK. Again OK. And here you can see we don't have access to this specific folder. Just cancel this. Now we are going to check how we unlock our folder if our folder is already locked. It's very simple. Just simply click on the right click, again go to the properties, again go to the security, same like administrator, and then edit, same like administrator, and then uncheck all the denied permissions. Because we are already denied all the permission, we just need to simply uncheck and then apply OK. Okay, and again okay, and here we can find our folders is unlocked. So to get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity.